Zoey, it's the Roomba. It's a Roomba. What is that? What is it doing? I knew how this was going to go. Zoey, what is that? What is it? Is it cleaning? There it goes. Where is it? Where is it? Do you love the new Roomba? Mama does. Mama loves it. What is that? You gonna come hide behind me? You're such a baby. You're gonna hide under the table. Oh, there it goes. Where is it going? What is that? Oh, what is it? Zoey, what is that? What? It's gonna get you. It's gonna get you. Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh my goodness, what is it doing? Zoey, you're a scaredy moose. Yay for the new Roomba. Mama's so excited. Mama's so excited. Cleans up all your fur, doesn't it? Oh yeah, this is the greatest thing ever. She doesn't think so, but I do. What is it doing, Zoe? What is that? What is it? You want to check it out? No, you want Mama to make it stop. I know. I know. What is it doing? It has so much fur to clean up. Are you hiding, Zoey? You don't know what to think, do you? Say, I don't know what to think, Mama. This is your new babysitter. Mama got a new pet sitter. It's going to keep you in check. What do you think? You're not sure. Do you hate it? Do you hate it? It's okay.